Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the Halloween Vignette with DIY 2019 collaboration. This is being hosted by MadeWithGlee. Now for those of you who may not be familiar with her channel, I'm going to leave a link to it below and also a link to the playlist. So please go check everything out. Now on to the challenge, what I have decided to make. You can call these a rag wreath, or I use mine more as a rag ring. I like to get one of these little $1 from Dollar Tree little styrofoam rings and get some material, and this is the material that I got. Let me show you. And this really worked out really good because this has a lot of colors in it, and I'm going to show you. And I know I've told you in the past, I buy everything out of season after it's over with, and this is a great example. I had this. This was actually, it says reduced on January 22nd, 2019. And as you can see, I gave $1.49. and I saved $2.48. And the other piece of material that I got is just of candy corn. Now, I don't have the price for this one, but I'm pretty sure if I remember right, I got it at the same time. This was $1 a yard, and it was one that they had to cut, and they put the price tag on with a safety, with a pin, a straight pin. And when I came home, I was going to put this up, and the pin stuck me, and I said, "Oh man, I don't need that." And I took the pin and the price, and I don't know. I guess I threw the price tag thing away. So, but I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have given more than $1 a yard for it. So that's two things. You need material, the ring, glue, and then I put the glue, I already have it in here, and this is just a egg carton that I get, and I just cut out one of the little holders for the egg and put in there. That way when you get through, you just throw the whole thing away. That works really, really good. For glue, for paint, save your egg cartons. Also, now I've never made one where I've added these little lights from Dollar Tree before, but I thought, hey, why not? Let's just try. We're both gonna learn this at the same time. I'm gonna try these little lights. I hope you can see them, that they are lit. Turn them off for right now. And I've already went and cut out my pieces of material. Now these, I am one of those that I don't really measure very well. I just cut. So I have every different size, anywhere from probably 3x3 to 2x3 or something like that. I do try to keep them around 3 at one point, but then I just cut. But probably the best size if you're going to want to make one of these is probably 3x3. But the reason first of all, I'm not one of those who really likes to measure, and also if you do them really different sizes, it just gives it a little more, you know, I don't know. I think it just looks a little better. So, oh, you need one other thing. Now, this is what I use. You can use anything you want. You can use a pencil or whatever. But, oh my goodness, I've had this so many years. It came with Duracell batteries, and it was just a little one of these little, it was a little screwdriver at the end. And this, for me, works perfect. Now, I know it's not something that you can just run out and go buy. I know that because I've had this for many, many years. but that's what I'm going to be working with. And also the scissors, I cannot for the life of me think what they're called. The little zigzag scissors. I'm sorry. Got one of those moments I can't think of what the scissors are called. But anyway, it's the ones with the little jagged edges. So, this is very, very simple. All you do is just get one of your little pieces. Oh, let me turn the camera down so I can show you. Now, this is where you get your little, now, like I said, this is just a little Duracell screwdriver. You can use a pencil or whatever you want to use, and just put it in the middle of your material. And let's see, just dip it into your glue. Pull it out. And that's the way. You just keep on doing that. And the best material was the one with the multicolors in it, because then you have all kinds of colors. But yeah, I just really did love that candy corn. So that's why I went ahead and got some of that as well. And you see the different sizes. I wanted to stress to you on that you can just make it however you want. Like I said, I really found out later that if you have them in different sizes, for me, I think it just looks better. And I didn't want to just bore you with me cutting material, so that's why I didn't show you how to do that. I mean, that's easy enough. And you can see I'm using this material a lot more just because it does have so many colors in it that I really do like that. Oh, that's right. We've got to add our little lights here. I was about to forget that. And this is the thing that I am just now trying out. I don't know how this is going to work, but we'll just find out together. Get one of my bigger pieces here to cover that up. And when I push it down, I just do a little twirl. That's mainly just to keep it from pulling it back out. Okay, I am so sorry. I had to stop for a minute. I turned it off, but I forgot to turn it back on. So I have just been starting to just continue on. This is a very easy project. It goes a little bit faster than what you think. And it's real good if you happen to have, if you have made projects before where you had material and like Halloween material or something and that you've had it left over, this would be a great project where you could just use up all of your little scraps. You wouldn't have to have just 2 or 3 colors. You could have all what you wanted, or prints rather. And this, if it was only scraps, just think it would, except for $1 for the ring itself, it would be free, really. A little bit of glue that it takes, and with scraps, oh my, oh yes, this would be really good. Now I am just about through, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this off, and after I do that, then I'm going to add it to my vignette. I've already have my vignette all set up. All it's going to take is me adding this to it. Now this is a very, very simple project. So I hope someone else will like it enough to at least try to see if you, after you start, sometimes I've started things that I've seen people make and they're, oh yeah, I need that, and then I start and I go, I don't think I do. And it may be that way with you. You may think, well, I don't know, that's just not me. But I really like these. Now, like I said, this is the first time I have added the little lights to it. I just thought that would be something different. Now, let me turn it on. I don't know with the camera, you're going to be able to see the lights very good. But this is the way it looks. Now I'm going to go add it to my vignette and share with you how the whole vignette turned out. I'll be back in a few. Now here is my vignette. I'm super pleased on the way everything turned out. Now I chose to use Anna Lee dolls, and here is the rag. I said it could be a wreath or it could be a ring or a rag base, and that's what I'm using it for. And the good thing about the Anna Lee dolls, now you don't have to put anything. Let me try to move this. See, it is just sitting on the material. And there is the little on and off, because that is just one of those little Dollar Tree lights that I added. And this fits on so well. So that's why I chose to put all of this is the little Anna Lee doll section. Have another one back here. Now this little Home Sweet Haunted Home, now that actually came from Dollar General, along with the little ghost. He is so cute. And here's just another Anna Lee doll. And that's just a little teapot that I like to keep that for Halloween because of the colors. And just another little witch that came from Dollar General. And here is another witch, another Anna Lee doll witch. Now, because I had some material left over, I went ahead, I had material from this, so I used that same material, and I had some orange left from another project, so I just made one of those little lighted garland wreaths. I'm just using back again to Dollar Tree lights. They come in, I think, like 5 foot, and I just used those just to so it'd match up here. Pretty much, like I said, now I did use some orange that I had left over from another project. But I think it all came together really well. And it's beside a lamp that I just put another Anna Lee doll, a little black cat. Just added a funky bow on one of those little Dollar Tree grapevine wreaths. So it all goes together very well. Now, once again, I want to thank MadeWithGlee for making this an open challenge. Oh, I have been so excited over this because I have been wanting to do this. So it's really, I'm very excited. And so please go check her out. You'll be really happy that you did if you don't already know her. And now once again, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and letting me share this with you. I hope everyone's enjoyed. So I want to say again, thank you, and hope everyone has a great day and a wonderful week. Bye-bye, and may God bless.